Imagine capturing stunning 8K video in every single direction at once without ever having to point your camera. You simply fly the drone and decide what you want to look at later. Welcome to the DJI Avata 360. This is not just a drone. It is a massive game changer for creators, and I have been testing it rigorously for the past 3 months. Let us dive into exactly what makes this machine so special. The biggest upgrade is the brand new dual camera gimbal. It features 2 massive 1-inch sensors that shoot stunning 8K video at 60 frames per second in high dynamic range. You have 2 amazing ways to fly this machine. You can use the full 360-degree mode, which allows you to capture absolutely everything around you. This lets you create wild, tiny planet effects, mesmerizing tunnel loops, and ultra-wide shots later in post-production. You literally cannot miss a shot. If you want a more traditional view, you can easily switch to the single lens mode. This turns off the back camera entirely. It gives you incredibly crisp, zero-stitching 4K video for fast-paced action. DJI also included the D-Log M color profile. This makes your footage look flat at first, but it saves so much hidden color data for editing later. It makes your final colors look highly professional. And speaking of the video quality, you do not have to worry about ugly seam lines ruining your 360 footage anymore. In the past, 360 cameras had a terrible blind spot where the 2 lenses met. Now, DJI's latest firmware and the free DJI Studio software completely erase that stitching line. Your final video looks absolutely flawless. Flying this drone is a completely immersive experience. When you pair it with the DJI Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3 joystick, you feel like you're sitting inside the actual cockpit of the drone. It is pure fun. DJI also added an incredible head tracking feature. You can literally just turn your physical head while wearing the goggles. The camera looks exactly where you look in real time. If you look behind you while the drone is flying forward, a small pop-up screen appears inside the goggles. It shows you the forward flight direction so you never crash. If you want speed, the Avata 360 is very fast. It hits exactly 58 kilometers per hour in sport mode. That is plenty of speed to chase a fast mountain bike down a steep trail. DJI built this to be the ultimate creative tool. Because of that heavy focus on smooth video, there's no full manual acro mode for doing crazy freestyle flips. It is not made for professional racing. It makes up for the lack of acro mode with mind-blowing safety features. It features full omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It uses 2 LiDAR laser sensors on the front and 2 on the bottom. It also uses the live 360 camera data to constantly build a 3D map of the world. Combine that smart technology with the strong built-in propeller guards, and you can fly through tight spaces with total confidence. You can fly very close to people or expensive cars safely. The sensors even work perfectly in near-complete darkness. Normal cameras need sunlight to see, but LiDAR lasers do not. If you need to fly home at night, the drone will safely avoid dark trees and return directly to you without a single scratch. It even has Active Track 360. This is perfect for solo creators who do not have a camera operator. You just select your subject on the controller screen. The drone automatically flies itself. It tracks them perfectly while trying out different cinematic camera angles. You do not even have to touch the joystick. The video connection is powered by the amazing O4 transmission system. The live video inside your goggles stays crystal clear even if you fly behind trees and heavy rocks. The battery life is also highly solid. You get about 18 minutes of real flight time per single battery. Because 18 minutes goes by very fast, I highly recommend picking up the Fly More combo. You will definitely want extra batteries to keep flying all day. When it is time to edit your massive video files, you have great options. You can use the simple DJI Fly app on your phone for quick social media posts. Or you can use DJI Studio on your computer to export a massive 8K panoramic file. I highly recommend using the free GoPro Reframe FX plugin in Adobe Premiere. It lets you easily add beautiful motion blur to your final video to make it look like a Hollywood movie. In my absolute best opinion, if you want pure creative freedom to captain your impossible shots without worrying about framing, the DJI Avata 360 is a dream come true. It removes the hard technical barriers of flying and lets you focus purely on creating pure magic. It is simply the most innovative drone on the market right now. What is your absolute favorite feature on this new drone? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.